Hi guys, welcome to Tech Solutions. Now we are learning how to hard reset Android phone. This is my Android phone. This is power button and this is volume button. Volume up and volume down. Now I am shut down the phone. Long press to power button. Power off. Tap to power off. Phone is shut down. Now press to volume up button, then long press to power button. Yes, phone off. Now release the button and wait. Yes, there are three options: reboot, wipe data, connect with MIUI assistant. We will select wipe data with volume up and down button. Select wipe button. Press power to confirm. Wipe all data. Select confirm. Now wiping the data. Data wipe successfully. Now back to main menu. Reboot. Reboot to system. Okay, reset done. Now it's like a new phone. Now we have seen how to configure or set up a new phone. Next, select your language. English United States. Next, close your region, Bangladesh. Next, choose keyboard. Next, connect Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Next, there are two options: copy your data or set up a new phone. Set up as new. We are selecting set up as new. Include your email address. Setup complete. Wow, the phone is ready for use. Now this is ready for use. Thank you for watching the video. See you again with another video. Bye bye.